Hello, I'm Christy Coughlin, a wellness coach with Rolling Strong. Sleep is one of the most important aspects of good health. Studies prove that insufficient sleep leads to a shorter life. Sleep helps you heal from an injury or a workout, strengthens your immune system, improves cognitive function, and allows your body to function at its best the next day. Lack of sleep can also impair your ability to drive a vehicle safely. Per the CDC, or the Centers for Disease Control, being awake for 17 hours is similar to having a blood alcohol concentration of 0.05%, which is considered drunk driving in some areas. Being awake for over 24 hours is similar to having a blood alcohol concentration of 0.1%, which is over the legal limit for drunk driving in the US. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep has been proven to improve your health and lengthen your lifespan. Regular quality sleep is also critical for weight management and weight loss. Rolling Strong includes sleep as one of the main pillars of health. You are awarded points for 6 hours of sleep up to 10 hours. For those with a connected wearable, you will receive double points for your sleep hours. More points means more rewards. To connect your wearable from the sleep screen, tap Connect Wearable, then enter your username and password for your Garmin, Fitbit, Apple, or Polar to allow Rolling Strong to use the data from your wearable. To log your sleep with a wearable, simply sync your device to your fitness app. Then open the Rolling Strong application. Your sleep will automatically sync, and you will receive 2 points per hour for any sleep log between 6 and 10 hours. To log sleep without a wearable, tap Daily Activity, Sleep, and enter your sleep hours under Manual Entry. For manually entered sleep, you will receive 1 point per hour for any sleep log between 6 and 10 hours. Your sleep hours will be displayed in the graph. To ensure you get a great night's sleep every night, establish good sleep hygiene. Sleep hygiene is the habit you follow to set yourself up for optimal Z's. Good sleep hygiene includes things like avoiding intense exercise close to your bedtime, avoiding or reducing your alcohol consumption, abstaining from caffeine after your morning brew, avoiding technology, including your phone, for 2 hours before bedtime, following a regular routine every night, things like brushing your teeth and changing your clothes. Eat a lighter dinner several hours before your bedtime. And lastly, do something relaxing before you go to bed. Things like reading fiction, stretching, meditating, or writing in a journal are all things that can relax you before sleep. Rolling Strong helps you prioritize sleep every night. Maximize your sleep and your points and keep rolling strong. This is